Hi, good afternoon. I'm Lily Perello-Depaz. I am a student in Psychology 5353, Physiological Psychology. I am in Dr. Winter's class. My HCU number is, I have it right here, 1348388, and today I am doing my part one of Module 10's dissection project preparation video. So in today's video, I will be showing you where I'm going to be when later on we're dissecting the actual brain, and then just the equipment that I'm using. So I have right now my computer. Most likely I will set up my phone whenever I'm doing the actual dissection video because of the tripod, but I do have an aluminum pan that I'm going to be using to place the brain inside. I also have my student dissecting set kit that came in the mail, that has all the equipment inside that we'll be needing. And then I also have the sheep brain, which has not been opened, and that will also be put aside for the actual day. I have my um, gloves, latex gloves that I will be using when I'm performing the actual dissection for part two. And so I guess some of the questions that I'm having is it okay to kind of clip my video as I am talking about specific parts? Like for instance, when I start talking about, the four sections of the brain, can I talk about those and give that brief description and then pause it and then clean up and then move on to the next one? Or are you wanting to see something that's entirely from the beginning to the finish? Because I did want to edit that as well. And then just to share with you that I've gone over the notes, I've gone over the syllabus and the expectations for the video. So I'm pretty comfortable and confident about it. I just didn't know exactly if we are allowed to stop and pause as we're navigating through the different parts of the brain and I'm talking about that. I'm giving them that explanation. So if you can give me email back, I guess, to answer that. But other than that, thank you and have a blessed Sunday.